Good morning, students. Today we are going to proceed village and Palampur chapter, which is belong from economics class 9th, and today's the new topic, the capital needed in farming. Students, we know very well that what is capital. Capital means money, the things which we purchase, the goods or amenities what we need to purchase for agricultural purpose. You have already seen that the modern farming methods require great deal of capital, so the farmers now needed more money than before. Earlier we doing the traditional agriculture with the help of ox and plow with them, but today we are doing modernization, and with the modern techniques we use in our agricultural area. For the example, you know that we use for plowing tractors, cultivation, harvesting, rotavator, etc., harvester, threshing, chemical fertilizers, insecticide, pesticides, and these things if we want to purchase, then we need to purchase the things money. First, most small farmers have to borrow money to arrange for the capital. They borrow for large farmers, village money lenders or traders who supply variety inputs for cultivation. The rate of interest on such loan is very high. They put great distress to repay the loan. Small farmers, especially in village area, they have no sufficient money, so they taking loan from the large farmers or money lender or the traders who supply the agricultural products. So they take high interest rate to the small farmers. So the small farmers have stress in their mind that how they return the loan. Savita, there is a small story that is the Savita is a small farmer. She plans to cultivate wheat on 1 hectare of land. Besides seeds, fertilizer, pesticides, she needs cash to buy water and repair her farm instruments. She estimates that the working capital itself should cost minimum of 3,000. She does not have money, so she decided to borrow the Tejpal Singh, a large farmer. Savita is a small farmer. She have 1 hectare land area. Besides seeds, fertilizer, pesticides के अतिरिक्त उसके लिए उसको क्या चाहिए, वाटर, रिपेयर हर फार्म इंस्ट्रूमेंट और अदर एस्टिमेटिंग वर्क के लिए 3,000 रुपीज़ उसको लोन के लिए चाहिए. उसने डिसाइड किया कि सी वैरो बिग फार्मर तेजपाल सिंह. सी परचेज द गुड्स एंड थिंग्स फ्रॉम द तेजपाल सिंह, एंड तेजपाल सिंह अ लार्ज फार्मर. ही एग्री टू गिव द लोन सविता फॉर 24% पर मंथ. 24% 4 मंथ के लिए उसने लोन देना स्टार्ट किया. It is very high interest, जबकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा था. Savita has also promised to work his land for 100 days per day, and that was very less. But Savita decided to work hard in their field, means I mean to say in Tejpal field area. He decided very well. It is a tough task for Savita because he have 3 sons, so he take care of those boys or children, you can say, and work hard in the Tejpal's land. During the harvester season was a busy time, and Savita have household responsibility, but he agreed to tough conditions. She know that how getting too difficult for a loan farmer. Second, in contrast, the small farmer, the medium and large farmers have their own saving from farming. They thus able to arrange the capital needed. How these farmers have their own savings, you small find answer the next section. Means small farmer और जो मिडियम क्लास फार्मर्स और लार्ज फार्मर्स जो हैं वो सफिशिएंट मनी को कलेक्ट करते हैं फॉर देयर नेक्स्ट क्रॉपिंग सीजन के लिए, बिकॉज दे प्रोड्यूस मोर इन देयर एग्रीकल्चरल एरिया एंड व्हाट दे प्रोड्यूस surplus in their agricultural area, they sell out and get the money for next cropping season. But it is not possible for the small farmer like that, Savita. We have read about the three factor of production. Production के three factors होते हैं, land, labor and capital, and how they are used in farming. वो farming में कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Let us fill the blanks below given. नीचे ये फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स दे रखा है और उसको हमें क्या करना है. फॉर आवर एक्सपीरियंस वी नीड टू फिल द सुटेबल वर्ड्स वेयर वी फाइंड द गैप. Among the three factors the production, we find that labor is the most abundant factor of production. There are many people who are willing to work as farm laborers in the village where areas opportunity to work are limited. They are being to either landless family or अब यहाँ पे are small family, is small farmer. They are paid low wage and led a difficult life. In contrast to labor, the wage is a scarce factor of production. Cultivation land area is very less. Moreover, when the existing land is distributed unequally and the people engage in farming, there are a large number of small farmers who cultivate a small plot of land and live in condition not much better than the landless farm labor. To make the maximum use of existing land, farmers used to us. Both these have led to the increased production of crop. Modern farming methods require great deal of capital. Small farmers usually need to borrow money to arrange for the capital, and they put great distress and repay loan. Means in this way we need to fill in the blanks. Now next topic, the sale of surplus farm products. First of all we need to that what is mean of surplus. Surplus का मतलब क्या है. Means what we need to produce in our agricultural area, we produce more than that. Means हमने जितना सोच रखा है या हमारी जितनी आवश्यकता है उससे ज़्यादा जब हम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं अपने एग्रीकल्चरल एरिया में, अपने लैंड में, वो क्या कहलाता है. सरप्लस प्रोडक्शन कहलाता है. लेट अस सपोज दैट द फार्मर हैव प्रोडक्ट व्हीट ऑन देयर लैंड यूजिंग द थ्री फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. द व्हीट इज हार्वेस्टेड एंड प्रोड्यूस्ड, प्रोडक्शन इज कंप्लीट. What to do? Farmers do the wheat. They retain a part of the wheat for family consumption and sell surplus wheat. Means किसी भी फार्मर ने अपने एग्रीकल्चरल एरिया पे wheat का प्रोडक्शन किया, जितना उसने सोचा, he getting more than that, so he kept some part of that wheat what he produced in their area for their family consumption, अपने कंजम्पशन खाने के लिए या अपने इस्तेमाल के लिए, और जो एक्स्ट्रा होता है वो क्या करता है, सेल कर देता है, बेच देता है. स्मॉल फार्मर लाइक सविता एंड गोविंद सन हैव लिटिल सरप्लस wheat because their total production is small and farm the substantial share is kept for their own family need. और जो स्मॉल फार्मर्स हैं जिनकी प्रोडक्शन कम हुआ है तो उनके फैमिली कंजम्पशन के लिए ही वो सफिशिएंट नहीं होता. सो हाउ दे कैन sell that thing, sell their wheat or their produced grain. So it is the medium of large farmers who supply wheat to the market. In picture 1.1 you can see bullock carts streaming into the market, each carrying load of wheat. The traders at the market buy the wheat and sell it further to shopkeeper in the towns and cities. So big farmers sell their products, sell their wheats, but nearby the Raniganj Mandi, and the traders purchase it and sell out it again the shopkeepers. Tejpal, the large farmers has surplus of 350 quintals of wheat from all his land. He kept sell the surplus wheat in the Raniganj market and good earning. अब तेजपाल सिंह लार्ज फार्मर है, he getting 350 quintal wheat and sell out in Raniganj mandi and he get earn more. What does Tejpal do with his earning? Last year Tejpal had put most of the money in the bank account. Later he used saving for leading the farmer like Savida and other need of the loan. He also used saving to arrange for the working capital for farming in the next season. This year Tejpal plans to use his earning buy another tractor. Another tractor would increase his fixed capital. अब तेजपाल have getting huge amount of money, so he deposit his money in bank and he giving the borrow or he giving the loan to the small farmers and in large interest, so he collect his earning more and more, and next present time he want to purchase a new tractor, that is his fixed capital. Like Tejpal Singh, other large medium farmers sell the surplus product and part of earnings kept for buying and next season. In this way the large farmers definitely they are in the profit, but this is not for the small farmer. Non-farm activity in Palampur, beside the agriculture, what is other function or other activity done inside the Palampur? Non-farm activities is like first dairy, the other common activity. Dairy is a common activity in many family of Palampur. People feed their buffaloes on various kind of grass and the jowar and bajra and grow during the rainy season. The milk is sold in Raniganj, the nearby large village. Two traders from Sahpur town have set up collection of shipping center at Raniganj, where the milk is transported to faraway land and cities. You know that the dairy activity, many people rear the buffalo or cows for their milk. They take the milk from these buffaloes and cow and they sell out near the Raniganj mandi. There are two collection center and they sell their milk to them. There is three tables. First table, production, consumption, surplus production, capital for next year. For the example, production 100 quintal, consumption 40, so they sell out their 60% capital quintal they sell out, surplus production. And second one 20, but it is also divided in two parts. And second table, you know that the production, consumption, surplus nothing, and third farmers 60 but consumption क्या है, more than 60 means 120 and the surplus or capital nothing. An example of small scale manufacturing in Palampur. Now the beside the agricultural activity, another example of is small scale manufacturing. Manufacturing is small scale. What with the manufacture, especially in their homes, the people of village Palampur at morning.